How to add a credit card on Uber. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to add a credit card to your Uber account, here is how to get it. First and foremost, download the application and launch it, giving your credentials. Once you have logged in, go to your profile or account section from bottom right and tap on the wallet section. Scroll down a bit and you will find an option of payment methods. Tap on the plus icon which says Add Payment Method. Select on the very first option of credit or debit card. Now you will see a section whereby you have to provide in your 15-digit card, or you could also scan a new card. You also have to provide in the expiration date, CVV number, your country or region, and a nickname if required. This way, once that is done, save the information and you have successfully added a payment method, that is credit card. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.